Last time we have unboxed the Huawei Band 6, and today we're going to try to pair it to my phone and see how it does and what function it has out of the box. So let's go. So we have here the Huawei Band 6. Just a quick refresher, this watch has all-day blood oxygen monitoring, 1.47 AMOLED display, long battery life, all-day heart rate monitoring, 96 workout modes, fast charging, sleep tracking, true sport algorithm, and of course it can withstand 5 atm of water resistance. So right now we're going to pair this watch to our Huawei Health app, but of course I believe that we can only pair one device for every phone or every account. So right now let's see if we can try to link, since you're connected to your Huawei Watch GT2 series. Yeah, I really need to disconnect from my Huawei GT2 Pro. So right now it's gonna be connecting to my Band 6. So let's give it a shot. So yeah, just put on auto update so it can push whatever new updates it has. So right now it has a new update, so it's pushing it in. Let's see. So right now we can see that it's rebooting after the successful firmware update. So just have to wait for a few more seconds before it boots up. Okay, so we can see that it's displaying the default watch face. So yeah, it looks pretty nice and pretty elegant, just the way it is. So we can see swiping up, you can see our notification. Swiping down, we can see a lot of function. Do not disturb, or yeah, put it on bright mode. Then alarm, vibrate, and of course your settings. So checking our settings, we have a lot of things you can do here. You can change your watch face, calibrate our brightness, and some advanced setting. So you can put the screen to sleep auto, okay, or you can set how many seconds before it goes to sleep, okay. Then going back, can set the vibration, do not disturb mode, workout settings, yeah, system, and about. So right now we're going to swipe to the left. You see the heartbeat, stress monitoring, the weather for today, the music control, and of course your exercise wheel, and nothing more. So swiping back and forth is the same. So let's try to play a little bit with it using our app right now. So we can see on the app that we can change our watch face. So there's a lot of watch face here to select. So there are some paid ones and some free ones. So we might want to try to take a quick look at some free watch face. So let's click free. Let's try this one. It's a more sporty look. Okay, so let's just simply install. So right now it's installing. Yeah, it's just gonna take a few seconds before it finishes uploads. See how it looks. So you can see now we have successfully changed our watch face to the same one that we have selected, which is giving it a little bit more refreshing look than the one from out of the box. So right now let's try to see some other settings that we can do here from the Huawei Watch app. So other than calibrating your own watch face, you can check your health monitoring here. So Huawei True Sleep is enabled, continuous heart rate, automatic SpO2 is disabled. So what I like about this one is that it has upgraded from the Band 4, having its own SpO2, which means the blood oxygen level. So right now during this pandemic, a lot of people are trying to buy their own oximeter, or what we say that it's a means of to check your blood oxygen. If it drops drastically, you might already have contacted the virus. So here on this watch, you have your very own personal oximeter, so you don't really need to buy one of those, so it saves you a lot of money. So you can check your alarm here, your weather reports, and some other stuff that you might want to check. So right now we'll slap it around my wrist and see how it fits me, and just give it a quick heart monitoring for us to see how it looks. And definitely the strap is quite thin, which is a plus, and the weight is not that heavy, so definitely it's another plus. So right now we're going to go and check my heart rate. Right now it's running at 77, 86. So basically that's my all-day heart rate monitoring. So let's see some other ones. So we might want to try to see the stress monitoring, but this one might take a little time. So let's just try and go on to take my blood oxygen level, which is you have to be pretty still to get a measurement. So keep still, measuring. Okay, so it gave me a 96% blood oxygen level, which is pretty healthy, pretty good. Normally get 98 to 100 or 99, but today it's a little bit low, but it's okay, no problem. Okay, so yeah, basically this is my watch face. You can see everything here, from your odometer to your calories burned, and of course your all-day heart rate, which is changing from time to time. So this probably would be my default watch face. So right now I also have the weather report over here, the time, and of course the date. So guys, this is basically what the Huawei Band 6 can do for you, and it's definitely something that you can trust and partner together with those daily exercise, where to keep track of your daily activities, how much calories you burn, how much steps you did, and so on and so forth, just to give you a healthy lifestyle. So guys, right now you've seen every function that we have on the Huawei Band 6. So what's your comment? Do you want to buy one? Well, for me, it's really a tough watch to have, and it's really helpful, especially during this pandemic. The SpO2, the blood oxygen checking, is definitely one very useful function. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And guys, don't forget that my road to 100k subscriber massive giveaway is still ongoing. Don't forget to join. You might get the chance to win one of 3 premium phones. So I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.